So we got the FX system. You might have seen this system on a few of my videos if you watch my channel. We got this system, it wasn't working. I got it at a great deal. The FX system still can game pretty good. It had a 1050 Ti, 8 gigs of RAM. It had a hard drive issue. So what I'm going to be doing today is we're going to be removing it from this case. Well, the two good things comes with removing this from this case. Number one, this case is kind of missing this, and it's kind of an older case, and I'm not much on the case. Number two, the parts are dusty in this case and does need a cleaning. Taking them out of the case gives me a good opportunity to clean everything, dust everything out. So let's just jump into it. You need to take your side panels off on any PC you plan on tearing apart. Oops, always dropping stuff. Keep up with your tabs, you can use these later. Just little thumb screws. Once you get all your thumb screws out, the panels on this just pops off. She is dusty, that's for sure. Look at the dust on that. Definitely in need of a cleaning. So it should be a great camera angle for you guys to see what's going on. Last video I shot was, I kind of was in the way, so I'm trying to get the camera angles down. Let me know in the comment section if it helps. Everything's unplugged. You're doing this, make sure everything's unplugged from the wall, no power. A hard drive, this is the one we use to put Windows on to fix this computer. I got a mat over here on the other side of the table. That's where I put everything at. Let's go ahead and jerk this 1050 Ti out. It's even held in with any screws. Yep, got two. So let's go ahead and remove those. Now a 1050 Ti is not a bad card. It ain't a good card either. But if you're on a budget, a 1050 Ti could make or break your system. I mean, a lot of people don't even have graphics cards. 1050 Ti is probably a blessing to them. But this is the 4 gig model, 1050 Ti. Does need a good cleaning. Look at the dust coming out of it. This gives us a good opportunity to clean this graphics card. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm just going to remove this fan too. Why are you removing the fan, James? Well, you never know when you need a fan into another case. So we have this fan undone. We can find the fan plug header. It's just plugged directly into the motherboard of the fan. This ain't too dusty. It's a regular old thermaltake fan. We put it to the side. So if you're looking, guys, we got plenty of room here. We actually got this USB 3.0 cable hidden on this heatsink. So let's go ahead and do away with this and unplug it. Just like so. Okay. They just got it running across the top. Yeah, that's out of the way. Go ahead and unplug the 24 pin. The SATAs, like 2 of them. Front motherboard headers, USB wasn't even plugged in. Front audio. Is that everything on this motherboard? Have we got all? We forgot the CPU power. Now that's everything on the motherboard. Huh. I guess we'll go ahead and pull the motherboard out. Then the power supply? Yeah, let's do that. Hopefully you guys can see, because I kind of got a tall tripod. I sure can't see it. But, simple. Undo all your motherboard screws. I got a magnetic screwdriver. Makes a big difference. If you transfer these into a new case, your new case should come with new motherboard screws. Just in case they don't, you can always hang on to the ones you got. Oops. I sure had to turn back up before we get this all tore down. Sometimes some motherboard screws can be hidden underneath heat sinks and stuff. Most of the time they ain't, but on some of the higher motherboards you might have that issue of one giving you trouble that you can't find. Never force your motherboard too. If it don't want to come up, then it's probably got another bolt in it. So don't make it. If you break your motherboard, then you have to buy a new one, and then that could take a week before you can get a new one. And then, you know, if you're trying to get a replacement, then it'd take even more than a week. And then you might have to be out money too if you had to buy one. This is an ASRock motherboard. We should have all the motherboard screws out now. Should just pick up. Okay. So, if you notice, guys, we are not moving. We are not moving because, are there any more bolts? No. Cable had us. Okay. So let's tilt this up. Bring it out nice and easy. That's the motherboard. So we're making progress on this PC. Let's go ahead and take our IO shield out, because if we forget this and get rid of the case, then you'll be having a gap here. So keep up with your IO shields. Take the power supply out now. 4 screws hold that on. All the 4 screws is removed. Now we can take our power supply out, and I'll probably have to undo some cables. 2 fans here. So do we got 2 fans on the front? Pretty cool. Anything else? SATA. We'll keep that. Here's all our cables. That's one. 24 pin. That's 2. Three. That was a Thermaltake Smart Series 500, and it's dusty as well. Might build a DDR2 system, so use a CD-ROM drive and stuff in it for older games. If that's something you want to see, let me know. Comment section. Also, if that's something you want to see, we sure don't want to see it in this case, hopefully. Okay, everything's undone on the CD-ROM. Cool thing about this case, this opens up, I think. Oh. Might not work though. Making noise. Got a place for, you know, a card reader and stuff like that. That's kind of cool. Now, our front fans is behind us. We have no upper fans. So does this come off? Don't want to break it. I see a fan though. The front panel could come off, but it looked like it would break. I would say this would come off before Yeah. Ooh, look at the dust. I see the fans. That probably would help out airflow really good. Or just leaving that cover off. Hey, Mr. Tumble Takes. I love to get to you, but I don't know how. Huh. Oh God, that didn't sound good. But we got into it. Go ahead and take our fans out now. I think I should take this PC case outside and clean it. So we got the pretty well fans undone. Just try to feed them through the hole now. You dust. So that's pretty much the case, guys. It's completely stripped unless we want the front ports here, but you know, somebody else that's on a budget, one of my buddies or friends, might can put this case to use. Maybe they want to modify it, paint it, or do a custom little piece of plexiglass where that panel is missing. You know, you can just silicone something on that. Look pretty good. As you can see, we got a complete PC on top of this table. If you enjoyed this video, let me know in the comment section. What case would you like to see this PC go in, this FX system? Comment down below. You know, I ain't got a case for it yet. We could choose anything. Oh, magnetic. And if you want to see a DDR2 build too, let me know in the comment section. Make use of a CD-ROM drive. Something you don't see every day. Custom cases, you know, any ideas welcome. As always, I said it 3 times so far, or 2, comment section below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next video.